We're out here at the Stunt Foods compound. Wait till you guys see this thing. Check this out. Bam! Check those jumps out. And this whole little track, dude. We're out here at the Stunt Foods compound. Wait till you guys see this thing. Check this out. Bam! Check those jumps out. And this whole little track, dude. Got the mini excavator over there. Building some more shit. Bro, this place is looking sick.
They're putting the track together. We got some tunes on. Brando, Leo, Johnny's in the van. Oh yeah, it's about to be a good day.
Still working on the track a little bit. Track walk going. These berms, bro. The camera's not really doing justice, but yeah, this shit's no joke. It's a pretty sick little backyard track. Pop that one into here. Don't mind the beer bottle. The 3-pack. Oh, let me get this man. Come back this way. Little double. There's 2 lines on this one. You go to outside and hit the booter for the drop off. Come this way. We might hit those today, we'll see. Might follow the boys off them if I'm feeling crazy. And then turn around and come back.
Yeah, Leo!
Maybe I should go grab my gloves, huh? Uh-oh, I got all the CRF boys after me. They're catching me. They're gaining on me. Okay, Randy. Yeah! 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 You got it. Oh, the block pass. Oh! What do you have to say, babe?
This is pretty sick.
Pretty sick, huh? Pretty fun? I mean, I know it's a backyard track, but this is like your first track experience, huh?
First track experience, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. They got a cool thing going on over here. You can see they put some time into it. Killing it. Yeah. Here, their dad's out there ripping with them right there. There's the oldest son, dad, younger brother, and then Randy. Ripping. Oh! Oh! Dude! Setting up the ramp. You first off it? So we're gonna hit this into that berm we were hitting earlier.
Good shit.
Hit it, babe. Go. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. hit that one. She could clear that one if she just went faster. Yeah. Oh, that corner looked good. Hit it. Yeah. Oh, check the inside on her.
You have that! Huh. Yeah, baby. Yeah! Yeah, let's go! Yeah.
What do you think, babe?
This is fun. It was a blast.
Successful day?
Yeah, definitely.
Beautiful area out here, too. You already know. Way to stop for some food.